attention? Well, thank you. Hello everybody, Master G here with Miss Addie. Let's work on our basic kicking. We're going to be working on the roundhouse kick, or Tollyo Cha Gi in Korean. Tollyo Cha Gi. Say it with me. Tollyo Cha Gi. Tollyo Cha Gi. Good. Again, we're going to start from a very basic position if you're a brand new kicker. So let's get in that side position like we were for side kick. And when I say one or a load, I want you to bring your lead leg up like you're a dog going pee-pee on a fire hydrant. I know it's silly, but it's a perfect analogy of how your knee should be. Ready? One.
One, sir.
And put it down.
Yes, sir.
One.
One, sir.
And put it down. One.
One,
Now
sir.
you notice in this position, her knee is not coming in front of her body like this. You want your shoulder, hip, and knee all to be one straight line, and your heel as close to your bum as you can get it. Good, and reset. Good, other leg.
Yes, sir.
Ready. One,
One, sir.
and bring it down. One,
One, sir.
and bring it down. One.
One, sir.
Again, checking that position, shoulder, hip, knee, one straight line, heel as close to your bum as you can, and put it down.
Yes, sir.
Good, all right. Now, for two, you're gonna point your toes as far away from your body as you can, and you wanna hit with the top part of your foot where your shoelaces would be. So that's starting roundhouse kick. As you get a higher evolved roundhouse kick, you can learn to kick with the ball of your foot, but starting roundhouse, let's work on your instep. Good. Or Paldun in Korean. Ready? One,
One, sir.
two,
Two, sir.
pull it back, three,
Three, sir.
and put it down. Good. A key indicator with the roundhouse is however high that knee is going is how high you will kick. So if you want to have those really cool kicks, really high kicks, you got to get that knee as high up as you can. Ready? One,
One, sir.
two,
Two, sir.
three,
Three, sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Good. One,
One, sir.
two,
Two, sir.
three,
Three, sir.
four.
Four, sir.
And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Ready? One,
One, sir.
two,
Two, sir.
three,
Three, sir.
four.
Four, sir.
One,
One, sir.
two,
Two, sir.
three,
Three, sir.
four. One
Four,
more.
sir.
One,
One, sir.
two,
Two, sir.
three,
Three, sir.
four. And now from a fighting stance position. So now let's practice just that first step. I call it bring it around. So she's got to get her knee into that same position, but notice how it's this way, so she's got to bring it around. So when I say one, watch her bring it around, and then we'll put it back and practice that a few times. Ready? One. Bring it
One,
around.
sir.
Good. And put it back. Ready? One. Bring it around.
One, sir.
And put it back. You notice how her stomach is coming all the way around? Think about leading with your knee and your tummy. Ready? One.
One, sir.
And bring it back. Good. Other foot. Ready? One.
One, sir.
And put it back. Ready? One.
One, sir.
And put it back. One more. One.
One, sir.
And put it back. Good. Switch feet, Miss Addie.
Yes,
And
sir.
now let's do all of our steps. Ready? One. Bring it around.
One,
Two. Snap it. Three. Pull it back. And four. Put it back. Ready? One.
One, sir.
Two.
Two, sir.
Three.
Three, sir.
Four.
Four, sir.
One.
One, sir.
Two.
Two, sir.
Three.
Three, sir.
Four.
Four, sir.
Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
One.
One, sir.
Two.
Two, sir.
Three.
Three, sir.
Four.
Four, sir.
It's all right. One.
One, sir.
Two.
Two, sir.
Three.
Three, sir.
Four.
Four, sir.
One.
One, sir.
Two.
Two, sir.
Three.
Three, sir.
Four.
Four, sir.
Good. Excellent positioning, Miss Addie. So you notice with the roundhouse kick is always targeted to the side of the body. So the head, the ribs, the leg, or the knee. Anywhere there is an effective area to throw a roundhouse kick. Now, if we're practicing free sparring and stuff like that, we do not practice low kicks in class, but you can use low kicks in a self-defense style situation. Good. All right. Okay, with from the fighting stance. Now just with Miss Addie without count. Do your best to follow, like do it with her and keep up. Ready? Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
Good. So your roundhouse kick is like probably going to be one of your most versatile kicks in sparring situations. It's going to be very well used, and lots of combos go really well with roundhouse kicks. It can be adapted a lot, any level pretty easily. So it's a very good. So we'll do like a few normal ones, and then we'll have some fun to see how high she can get it. Ready? Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
And switch.
Yes, sir.
She's easily kicking at my face level right now. Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
Height!
Fight!
All right, Miss Addie, switch feet.
Yes,
Put it
sir.
where you want it. Put it as high as you think you can get it. Whew. Well above my head. All right.
Fight!
Easy. Let's go a little bit higher.
Fight!
Easy. Let's go a little bit higher.
Fight!
Woo! That's some good kicks. All right. That is our roundhouse kick, or Tollyo Cha Gi in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.